This is a review of another knockoff Batman mask. It's from the Yearning Life in the Store from AliExpress. It's $16.60 and it's called Bat Mask Man's and Woman's Face Masks. There's more to it, but you get the point. So let's check out the mask. Similar to another one I've reviewed. It may well be the exact same build. It's just from a different vendor. And I think this one costs a little more. The only thing I really noticed on the two was like maybe a different quality of paint here, but let's just glance at it. The eyes, good size eyes, not too small. It does not have a nose tip. I think the other one hasn't had a nose tip. Yes, it does. We'll compare them side by side. Anyway, so let's try this bad boy on, and then we'll look at the other one. There's the split. Goes pretty high up. Okay, let's try it out. I just ripped some of my hair out. Yeah, that's a no-go. It's comfortable. It seems thicker, I think, than the other one. I think the other one's thinner. Might these even be taller? I don't know. This is the losing point on this one. Let me compare to the other one. Okay, so you kind of get the gist on this one. The other one had pointy brow right here. This one does not. Oh man, it's like if I could add the nose from the other one on this one, it would work out, because the other one it's really pointy. But you make your decision on this one and decide, and whatever. Let's see. So let's compare it to the another one I did. Bloop. Feels thinner. A little more floppy. Yeah, look at that crazy pronounced brow. It's like there's a huge eyebrow under there trying to jump out or stab its way out of the mask. Man, this one's really nice, except for the darn nose. Come on, man. You know, whether or not you're looking for this as part of it, I don't. I like the Dark Knight, so I put this underneath. But man, yeah. So this one has pointy brows and a nose tip. And are the ears shorter ears? It appears. I would say side by side, but not side by side. Wow, now they look tall. Okay, yeah, this one, are the ears any different? Maybe, maybe not. Now these look taller, whatever. Ears are probably the same size. To the touch, this one's definitely thicker. Let's see, does it have that same finish? Yeah, it's the same kind of finish. This one, it feels cheaper, but I really appreciate the nose. And the fit. The fit is appropriate. Yeah, so I think either one of these will work, depending on, you know, what works for you. Man, this feels really quality. This is really good, except for this. I don't know, maybe I can fabricate something to, I don't know. Anyway. Okay, and here's how the two compare. This is the one with the thinner one with the nice nose cover. It's a much lower profile emblem. The emblem is much higher profile here and better painted. I use that better painting loosely. It's certainly not perfect, but the yellow is definitely more intense, where this one, the background bleeds through. There are imperfections on this thicker one. You know, no big deal, not a big deal. There are probably some on here, maybe not as much. But this thinner one does actually have a maker's mark on it that says SJFY COS. And the other one does not seem to have any kind of maker's mark on it. You've got the intel. You can work with it, just make it whichever decision you want. I'll verify that I've got these pointing to the right vendors. Of course, this vendor also showed that it was out of stock, you know, because I bought these all pre-Halloween. But either way, yeah, decision is yours. If it helped out, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Take care. I'm out.